Hey students, I just want to do a very, very short reminder of how you can understand your grades for the Matter of Fiction project, your short stories. Those should all be graded and in student view and available for you to review. So your gradebook should look something like this, where the project is entered in the gradebook 5 times, assessing 5 different skills over the course of that project. You can see your scores in this column as well as this column. So as you're exploring and seeing how you did and where your strengths and weaknesses are, make sure you're referring to the rubric I sent you that reminds you of each of those aspects and kind of where you might have fallen on our scales, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. So make sure that you're referring to this to help you better understand expectations and where those fell. So this person, for example, showed proficiency in the presentation aspect as well as collaboration with their partner. They struggled a little bit and are just developing on their grammar within their story. The writing narrative skills, so their overall story was fairly well written with some room for improvement. What I noticed in terms of weaknesses for most groups is the tendency to tell rather than show with details like literary devices and things like that. So this person was progressing, so not a bad story, actually a fairly good story with some room for improvement. And then this skill here, RL plus RI 1.1, this person showed proficiency on using the theme that we came up with as a class and applying it within their story. So hopefully this gives you a breakdown of how you did. Grades are posted for the quarter. Of course, all students are encouraged to revise if you would like. I would definitely recommend doing that and seeing me during Power 50 with your partner. If you intend to revise as an individual, I would really encourage you to get your partner on board since this is something both of you worked on. So email me with questions. Enjoy the rest of your spring break, and I'll see you all on Monday. Or I guess Tuesday. I'll see you on Tuesday.